Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have another unboxing. We'll start with this one. Let's try and safely get into it. Hope you've all been well. Let's see. Beautiful. So, I believe this one is from Greece. So this is a shaving cream. Not sure how to break into it. There we go. I bought this one a while ago. It's taken a little while to get to Australia, but that's okay. Herbana. Let's open it up. And there she is. Let's see if it smells like. Yeah, nothing really stands out. So I've got charcoal in it, active charcoal, so should be interesting to shave with. Let's pop this lid back on and we'll open up the next one. Oh. Well, not much wrapping involved. Well, here it is, and I'm really surprised I scored one of these. Looks like I could probably clean that case up. So that's as far as it wants to open, so that's as far as we'll go. See inside, it is an Aristocrat. Let's take it out. So it is made in Brazil. Just trying to see if we can get that. It's hard to read. So this is a made in Brazil Aristocrat, but I have another razor similar to this that's nickel, that's made in Brazil. This is an Aristocrat. Actually, that action is nice. Very interesting stuff. So I'll clean this one up. I'll throw it into the ultrasonic cleaner and give it a bit of a light, very light polish, and we'll see it in a shaving video. So let's say up there. Oops, sorry for hitting that. Must be registration. The old Regus. There it is. Okay. I'll just show you these blades as well. Never heard of them before. Anyway, alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, we'll take this one on to the end. This is another parcel just recently showed up. And no, it's not LED lights. At least this one's better wrapped than what the Brazilian Aristocrat was. That was pretty poor wrapping, I thought. Not wrapping it at all in any bubble wrap or anything. But that's rarely happens, that poor wrapping. So, and this seller has gone to a great lengths. Now, I couldn't say no to this one. Because these are so nice. Oh my God. I think some of you can guess what it is, and it's not a President. Similar looking case. Got it. Rightio, it's another 66. And this is why I grabbed it. These things don't come along too often. They're usually the first thing to be lost in these cases. Just a stray blade or two. Here's the case. So the bottom looks quite nice. And up here is stained. So I'm going to try and clean this up. I've got a different case at home that it's just a leftover which I'll practice on and then give this a go. Let's have a look at the razor itself. Looks quite clean. Yeah, amazing condition. Very nice condition. Look how clean that is inside. Let's see. Give you a close up. So either this hasn't been used very often or not at all, or someone's gone to great lengths to clean it. Let's have a look underneath it. Yeah, it's very clean underneath as well. Very nice. Pity it's been scratched. That looks like the only casualty from it. Oh, such is life. Hope you enjoyed. Ciao for now.